Hello there, everyone. So here we go. The moment what we're waiting for. I think all yours, Jagrati.
Okay, hi everyone. Good evening. Hope everyone had a good, insightful day. We are at the last segment of the finale of the Mumbai AI Summit. So let me just start with the landscape report, which we have been waiting for since really long. So the AI India landscape report was the starting point of the Mumbai AI Summit. What started off as a sector research report led us to building a full-fledged summit on the basis of some detailed information and insights collated. So moving to the next slide. So here you can see the report is a 40-page comprehensive overview of the AI ecosystem in India. It includes different feature of India's top 50 AI startups, top AI investments since 2019, top 20 AI influencers from India, 12 leadership interviews, and our Edge framework analysis. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to quickly take you through some of the key sections of the report. So here is the Edge framework. So what is the Edge framework? We came across something very similar done by CB Insights and adapted from there. AI is an evolving domain. We keep referring it to as disruptive, but is all AI really disruptive? Let us wear a different lens and further classify AI on the basis of its core characteristics, which is defined by the overall market size and the industry adoption. So the Edge framework has been divided into emerging, disruptive, game changer, and experimental, as you can see it on screen. And how did we derive this? This has been derived by market size and industry adoption. So the market size is determined by the momentum of startups in this space, media attention, and customer adoption. And industry adoption is determined by market sizing forecast, transcript, quality and number of investors, and capital. So, taking market size and industry adoption as X and Y axis, respectively, we have grid four quadrants, which you can see. And the brief about these quadrants has been given in the report. You can view and read about it. And to set a context for the readers, India's top AI 100 startups have been plotted on the Edge framework, and it gives a holistic view of the India AI startups ecosystem. So, moving to the next slide. So here you can see here's a quick overview of how India's top 100 AI startups showed up on the Edge framework analysis. Over 51% of India's top 100 AI startups are indeed disruptive, with experimental being 25.3% and 8.9% represented by the game changers. They will be the ones really hitting it out of the park. So moving on to the next slide. So here you can see how the AI 50 startups have been identified according to the technology domain-wise breakup, industry-wise breakup, and breakup on the basis of their function. So we crunched the numbers and ranked companies based on revenues, employee growth, customer statistics, historical funding, and valuation. The intention with this initial ranking is to prioritize companies that have shown traction with respect to use of AI as a core technology, adoption across industries, and functional use cases. So moving on to the next, investments in AI. So last week, on the day one of the summit, we had an investment panel where Shweta had given a quick insight about the AI investments landscape in India. And owing to the spectacular growth in the AI sector, India has emerged as a nation with a robust ecosystem that enables AI startup professionals and founders to kickstart their ventures. As per McKinsey Global Study, it is estimated that AI alone as a technology will be contributing around $15.7 trillion to global GDP by 2030. In our report section, investments in AI, we have analyzed some of the top AI investments in India that have raised in excess of dollar 150 $150,000 since January 2019. For providing some deeper insights into the investments landscape, we have looked at the investment from the standpoint of industry, technology, and business function, as you can see here. Analyzing the investments from different angles gives us some quick, unique insights with respect to application of AI as a technology in a few industries and how it has picked up over time. So, with that, I will conclude my presentation of India AI Landscape Report and urge to download the same by going to our summit website, which will be available tomorrow. And even the attendees we'll be sharing the report with the attendees in a digital form. And thank you. And with that, I will like to hand it over to my colleague Shweta.
Thank you, Ravi. Thank you. Hi, everyone. It was a good, knowledgeable, and insightful day. It, for me, it was indeed because this was the first time we actually had an opportunity to sit through all the sessions, listen to all the speakers. So, as a team in our previous avatar, also we have had experiences of organizing events and conferences, and every time we've been running around organizing things and never had an opportunity to sit through all the sessions and listen to them. So, in that way, it was a great experience for us. So, this was our first virtual summit that we organized, and while organizing this virtual summit, one thing I wanted to do was to replicate the experience of an offline summit into a virtual summit. And we tried doing that by giving networking opportunities, having panel discussions, and also making you guys sit from morning 10 to evening 5 in front of the screens. We also tried to have startup demos. We tried to have product showcases, and I'm very happy to say that in a way we could achieve it. So between both the days of day one and day two of the summit, we had more than 450 people attending the conference, and that in itself was a big achievement for us. And all thanks to our partner Airmeet for helping us with the platform. So our goal while we wanted to do this from the beginning was to put together an AI ecosystem summit. Because if you look around in India, there are not many AI ecosystem summit that happens. And again, I'm very happy to say that the team could successfully achieve that by putting together a summit where not just in the speakers but also in attendees we had a good mix of startups, corporates, people from different industry, academias, and also startups. And while we were doing this, I know we had our own share of some glitches, technical glitches during the summit, but we could successfully overcome that. And yeah, I hope and we could successfully overcome that and conduct this summit very smoothly. I hope you all enjoyed the day and found it useful. So with this, we would like to end our day today, and we do have a package coming up, post summit package coming up soon in your inboxes by tomorrow, which will comprise of the content, which is all the videos during the summit that happened on day one and day two, speaker presentations, startup demo presentations, our AI report, and the Q&A questions that happened during both the days at the summit. So keep an eye on your inbox tomorrow. You should hear back from us. For now, this is myself on behalf of the whole team, Startup Rezo, signing off. Stay safe, stay at home, keep innovating, keep hustling, and keep in touch with us. Thank you. Ajay, would you like to join anything? Would you like to add anything? Sorry.
No, thank you so much. You have covered everything, Shweta. And yeah, like Shweta has already mentioned, keep an eye on your inbox. There is an email package that is coming your way. And yeah, we look forward to kind of building this community and ecosystem around AI. So not just doing a year-to-year kind of an event, but a whole bunch of other activities and smaller events that we'll keep on kind of coming up with. So that is something that we'll be in touch with you on, and look forward to strong participation and helping jointly build this strong India AI ecosystem. Thank you so much.
Sure, sure. Thank you so much. I mean, it's not easy. I think it's nice. Gautam has mentioned here, and it's I think one of its kind, the first time something like this has happened in virtual world. So that's amazing. Thank you so much, everyone. A lot of effort. I want to personally, thank Ajay in the first place, of course, Shweta again, and then Anumaya, and then Jagote. It's been an amazing journey until now. I mean, yes, of course, Gautam. It was a lot of planning, a lot of efforts out there, and then we, even though with whatever it was there, the decision to take it virtual not letting it go away. I think that's amazing. Big kudos to to the Startup Resort team. I think you know how to give applause, right?
Me
So I
team.
don't have to say that one. Come on, just go do it. I hope we wish we'll come up with something like sounds as well. Pretty soon. Okay, thank you, Jagruti. Closing comment. I'll do my job again.
Thanks to AirMeet team too for the support. It wouldn't have been possible without you all. End of the day, it was your support where we because of which we could conduct this summit virtually. And thanks to all the attendees for joining for both the days. Looking forward for the next year. Hopefully, we do it physically and not virtually.
Surely. No, I think I would recommend virtual version at least for certain extent as well. I'm selling out
Absolutely.
here. Okay. But anyways, I'm also, from AirMeet team, we apologize for the inconvenience caused on the day one as well. And then even if you face any technical difficulties today, I think we just had, not more than, I think 2% today of the technical difficulties. So I'm glad that we, addressed it completely. Thank you so much. Shweta, closing note. Again, I'm going to ask you a simple one-liner.
So just one last thing. So guys, this is not going to be an annual summit. So we won't bother you just once in a year, but we'll keep bothering you. So we are coming up with formats and with things in which during the year also we'll keep in touch with you all through smaller formats. So yeah, keep your eyes on your inbox, and we will continue to keep coming back to you.
Definitely, I'm waiting for the goodies for sure. Thank you everyone. Keep safe. See you soon again in Startup Resorts. Another, I don't know what it is. I'm not going to say what it is. Keep open for that. And thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you.